Galaxy S24 Ultra has a new display that is anti-reflecting. The problem is, if you apply a normal glass screen protector, you will lose this feature altogether and your screen won't be anti-reflective anymore. For example, here on the top part, I installed the normal glass screen protector. The middle is the original screen and the bottom is an official Samsung anti-reflective screen protector. You can clearly see the top glass is completely reflecting the light, but the middle and bottom parts are doing great of not reflecting the majority of the light. Let's try it with the screen turned off. One interesting thing I noticed is if you apply Samsung official anti-reflecting screen protector, it will reduce the amount of white light passing through even more, but that's not necessarily the same with the yellow light. Now let's try something. I will pull out the Galaxy S24 base model that does not have an anti-reflecting feature to see how these two compare. You see on the right side that we have Galaxy S24 Ultra. On the top part, the light reflects almost the same as the Galaxy S24 base model that does not have an anti-reflective screen. You know, the problem is that if you put such a glass, you kind of negate the whole feature that is designed for you, and it's kind of a shame. Now let's do an experiment. What if I just grab the anti-reflective screen protector from Samsung and just add it to the Galaxy S24 base model? The result is actually quite surprising. You get almost the same result as you get on the Galaxy S24 Ultra base model. Lucky for us, Samsung also has anti-reflecting screen protectors for other models too. So now that you got the gist, I'll show you what the Samsung anti-reflective screen looks like and how to apply it to your phone. It is very important that you watch this video before applying it because I'm sure lots of people are doing it wrong and I can see it by the reviews that I see in Amazon or in Samsung official page and people are complaining about different problems. There are some necessary tools that come with the screen protector in the box. The first thing is for swiping the screen protector after applying it. Then there's a thingy that holds the phone. And finally, you get the screen protector itself. You should start by cleaning your screen. Just buy any screen spray if you don't have one. I link the one I use in the description down below. And after cleaning the screen, you have to dry it and then remove the dust. You should use a sticker that is included in the box. And do this really truly because even one single particle can ruin the screen protector and you're gonna be really mad at yourself for throwing away $10 down the drain. The cost of the screen protector is a bit high. It is around $20 to $25, but there are 2 of them in the box. While I'm removing all dust, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content. I'm gonna create more content about Galaxy phones in the future. What you wanna do next is to remove the glues from the aligner and attach it to your phone. Then to apply the screen protector, align it with the aligner. You cannot do anything wrong here because there is just one way to put it there. Then you wanna leave the screen on top. At first you feel like you are doing something wrong, but give it a second and it will make sense. You should lift it until the middle of the screen. Then the upper part will detach from the lower part and you should gradually apply force and swipe to the top of your phone. When you are doing it, make absolutely sure there is no particle on the screen left. Because you are putting the screen protector on the display again, it is very likely that some particles go on the display. Then you want to repeat the process for the bottom half. Again, very important. Make absolutely sure there is no particle there. I've seen lots of people get a line between these two halves. The reason is it is very easy for a small dust to get stuck there and then it will be impossible to remove it. So make sure you remove anything in the middle before applying the rest of the screen protector. Lastly, just remove the top part from the screen and you're almost done. Most likely you will get some small bubbles. Just apply force gradually on them and push the bubbles to the edges. If you do it for a few minutes, the bubbles will disappear. You can also just give it a few days and they will disappear by themselves. Alright, let's check it out. Looks good, no bubbles left. There's just one small one that I will get rid of later. The screen fingerprint scanner also works perfectly, which is really great. Let's check how the reflection works. Looks really good. Perfect, I'm super happy with the result. One thing I want to mention is the screen protector is around 1mm to 2mm smaller than the screen itself. That 1mm is exactly where the bezels are, so you won't notice it. On day-to-day use, especially if you put a case, you won't even see it. The problem happens if you don't use a case and you're using gesture navigation. Then it can be uncomfortable to sight from the edges or from the top. There's no problem on the bottom because it goes to the edges completely. Also, maybe I can just show you my favorite case, which is a Spigen see-through case. It looks super cool and unique and I love it. It is made out of silicone and the grip is quite nice. I will put the link to the case in the description down below just in case you're interested. The costs are also quite nice, for example for the S Pen or for the cameras. The second thing I want to show you is a cheap $15 case plus a screen protector if you want to buy it for S24 Plus or S24 base. The brand is called JETech or JETech. I'm not so sure, I just found them in Amazon. I always buy from them and they never disappoint me. The fingerprint scanner also works nicely on them. I put the link in the description down below. I saw some people on Reddit complaining about screen protectors in general not working properly with the fingerprint scanners on S24 models. The trick is to set up your fingerprint after you already have a screen protector. Also, give the screen protector a day to completely attach to your screen. If you want to know more about Galaxy S24 Plus, watch my review on the video that is popping up right now. And thanks for watching the video. Until the next one, bye!